guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango peach shake. So this is a shake with a difference, so stay tuned as I take you to the kitchen for the preparation. Okay guys, see you in the kitchen. Look at that beautiful color. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to make a mango peach shake. Alright, so I have here some pieces of mangoes cut up and I have some pieces of peach. These are the canned peach. So I have here some strawberry syrup and I have some ice. So I'm gonna get started. So I have my bullet. So let's get started. So I'm gonna add the peach liquid and the mango. Alright, very easy and simple. So I'm adding the ice now guys. Summertime, so we don't want anything too hard to make, something simple and refreshing. So here we go. I have the syrup and I'm using the strawberry syrup guys. Alright, so remember, is my mango peach shake. So cover this and I'm going to blend. And there you have it guys, all done. My mango peach shake, all done. Guys, I'm gonna glass this now. Look at that beautiful color. There you have it guys, mango peach shake guys. Look at it, so lovely. So let me taste it for you. That's so refreshing guys. The children are at home now, it's summer, so you can go ahead and prepare this. It's nice, refreshing. If you don't want to use the syrup as a sweetener, you can choose not to. Alright guys, and there you have it guys. See it? Peach in a tin. Sometimes we pick them up in the supermarket and we're not sure what to do with them. This is an option. Go ahead and blend them and make your smoothie or shake. Alright guys, so this is my mango peach shake. So go ahead and try it guys. I'm sure the children will love it. The entire family will love it. Go ahead and try it. It's summer and it's a refreshing shake. Okay guys, remember to like this video, share it to your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think about this video. Okay guys, leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. Alright, so guys, until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.